bad night at all for mid-January. Lots of people out and about in Center City tonight. Some of them even chose to leave those heavy coats behind. Still, there is some fog out there to look out for. Meteorologist Monica Cryan has more on that and some rain that's moving in. A lot of rain, right, Monica?
Lots of rain Sunday and Monday. Be ready for it. The rest of tonight, though, pretty quiet. And like you were saying, temperatures can't hate on this. 46 degrees, pretty mild. Your high today, 47. Here are two other parameters we have to talk about. Notice your winds very calm and that humidity very high at 96%, almost fully saturated. So when there's no wind and high humidity, that really allows that fog to settle in. So what we're looking at are very low visibilities across the Delaware Valley. Look at some of these numbers. 3/4 of a mile visibility in Philadelphia, 10 being the best, and the smaller the number gets and even into the fractions, that's when it gets bad. We're looking at Trenton with 1/2 a mile visibility, Millville at 1/4 mile visibility, and Reading 1/2 a mile visibility. The best way, if you do have to be out on those roads tonight, even though it's kind of dangerous, make sure to use those low beams. We do have a dense fog advisory once again across the entire Delaware Valley, including Delaware, South Jersey, and into southeast Pennsylvania. That goes all the way through Sunday morning. Then we have to talk about some unsettled weather. The rain moves in Sunday and Monday, and that wind kicks up. I've got the details of that storm in just a bit.
Monica.
I know, it's January, and we're talking temperatures in the 40s, and we're headed into the overnight, so very mild setup. That's why this event that we are talking about, that's arriving Sunday and Monday, all rain event. 46 degrees in Philadelphia, 45 in Trenton, 43 for those of us in Allentown. We're looking at a temperature in Millville at 45 degrees. Looking at your ultimate Doppler radar, most of us rain-free at this point, but the clouds have filled in, the fog has filled in, so we know we're working with a lot of moisture. Notice there are starting to send in some isolated showers back towards Lancaster and Berks County, and this is really going to fill in as we head into Sunday all the way through Monday. Here's why. Notice the storm system back behind us down towards the south, and it's continuing to push up towards the north. So we're going to see more and more storms form down towards the southeast, continue to move up towards the north, and we're going to see that in rain and maybe even a rumble of thunder here and there. Let's take a look at the timing for you as we look at your future cast. This is the rest of tonight. Once again, some showers filling in through Delaware and South Jersey as we head into tonight through tomorrow morning. By Sunday afternoon, more widespread activity, shower activity from Wilmington, Philadelphia, up into Trenton. But then we head into Monday. Here's a second round of rain that's going to move in by Monday morning, starting off as just some scattered to widespread shower activity. Then we head into Monday afternoon, and we're also expecting at times moderate, even heavy rainfall. There could be some rumbles of thunder, dropping some heavier rain as well. What are we talking about for rainfall estimates? Look at this. This is one model saying it could possibly produce 1.5, even 2 inches of rain across the entire Delaware Valley, with some locations localized heavier amounts of rain, especially along those shore points in Atlantic City up into Wrightstown. Some areas over 2 inches of rain when all is said and done by Tuesday morning. And we're also factoring in the wind. We could see gusts up to 50 miles per hour. For that reason, we have a high wind watch once again for Cape May, Atlantic County, Ocean County, Burlington County under that high wind watch. And we also have a storm warning for some of our coastal waters as well. I think there could be very rough seas, some coastal flooding possible as well. And we're also looking at low visibility with some of this moisture moving through. But those winds are going to kick up, and so right now we've got this high wind watch like I was saying, but we could see that start to fill in as more and more locations pick up on those winds. So let's take a look at that. For the rest of our Sunday, pretty quiet into Sunday afternoon. That's when those winds will start to pick up their speed. We're talking gusts possibly up to 30, 40 miles an hour, and even higher than that as we head into Monday morning. Monday morning looks like it could be at its worst in some locations like Wildwood and Dover. Near 50 mile per hour wind gusts can't be ruled out as we head into Monday. So when we're talking about a lot of rain and a lot of wind, there could be some power outages as those trees get knocked down, and since that the soil will be loose. We're looking at fog overnight, some showers, temperatures into the 40s. And then we head into tomorrow. Look at this, 54 degrees. We stay in the low to mid 50s Monday and into Tuesday, and it's going to be that rain whipped around by that wind. We're looking at Tuesday, some rain chances, and then Wednesday, much nicer, 55 degrees with a lot of sunshine, guys.
All right, can't believe